One day, a son went to his father and asked, "Father, what is the value of life?" The father smiled and said, "If you truly want to understand the value of your life, then you must do exactly as I tell you." The son agreed. The father bought a stone and handed it to his son. He said, "Take this stone to the market at the roadside and sit there in a quiet place. If someone asks you the price, just hold up 2 fingers. Remember, no matter what happens, do not sell the stone. You must bring it back home." The boy looked at the stone and thought to himself, "Why would anyone want to buy such an ordinary stone?" Still, he went to the marketplace as his father instructed. He had been sitting there for some time when an old woman approached and asked, "What is the cost of this stone?" The boy didn't say a word. He simply raised 2 fingers, just as his father had told him. Seeing this, the woman said, "All right, I am ready to buy this stone for $2. The boy remembered his father's words, so he did not sell the stone. Instead, he returned home and happily told his father, "A woman wanted to buy the stone for $2. The father smiled again and said, "This time, take the stone to a museum. If someone asks the price, like before, raise 2 fingers." The boy went to the museum with the stone in his hands. A person there noticed it and asked, "How much does this stone cost?" The boy did not speak. He simply raised 2 fingers. The man replied with surprise, "Amazing! I will buy it for $200. The boy was shocked. He never imagined the stone could be worth so much. But again, he refused to sell it and returned home. He told his father everything that had happened. The father then said, "Now take this stone to a precious stone shop. If someone asks for its price, once again raise 2 fingers." The boy went to the shop. As soon as the shopkeeper saw the stone, he was stunned. He immediately asked, "Where did you get this? This is extremely rare. I want to buy it. Tell me the price." The boy, following his father's instructions, raised 2 fingers without saying a word. The shopkeeper replied with great excitement, "Perfect! I will buy it for $20,000. The boy could not believe his ears. He ran home as fast as he could and shouted, "Father, the jeweler wanted to pay me $20,000 for this stone." The father looked at his son and smiled. Then he said, "Do you see it now, my son? Do you understand the value of your life? Life is all about where you place yourself. You can choose to be a $2 stone, or you can choose to be a $200,000 stone. There will be some people who do not see your worth at all, but there will also be others who will see you as everything." The father continued, "The moral of this story is simple. Not everyone will value you. Not everyone will appreciate you. But your life is in your hands. It is up to you to make it better. It does not matter where you come from. It does not matter where you were born. It does not matter the color of your skin or how much money you were born into. What matters is where you decide to place yourself, the people you surround yourself with, and the way you choose to carry yourself. You may have lived your whole life believing you were only worth $2. You may have spent years surrounded by people who only saw your value as $2. But the truth is, everyone has a diamond inside them. And you can choose to surround yourself with people who see your true worth, who see the diamond within you. You can choose to put yourself in a market, or you can choose to put yourself in a precious stone store. And remember this, you can also choose to see the value in others. You can help people discover the diamond within themselves. Choose the people you surround yourself with wisely, because that choice can make all the difference in your life.